In this video, we're going to learn how to hide data in an Excel spreadsheet. This is really useful if, for example, you're working on a shared spreadsheet within a team and it contains data you don't want to be viewed by everyone. For example, salary increases or other confidential information. In this example, I've shaded the cells orange to indicate which cells I'm going to hide. Select the cells you want to hide whilst clicking the Control key to select multiple cells at once. With the cell selected, click on the Home tab and expand any of the formatting groups. Click on the Number tab and click on Custom. Delete whatever is currently in the Type window and type 3 semicolons. Click on the Protection tab and select Hidden and click OK. The data has magically disappeared from the spreadsheet. However, when we select the cell with the hidden data or click in the formula bar, the data is still visible. To ensure the data is both hidden from the spreadsheet and the formula bar, select the cells again. Click on the Review tab and click on Protect Sheet. Leave the default boxes selected. To secure the spreadsheet with a password, enter one and re-enter it when prompted and click OK. Now, when we try and click into the formula bar, a warning message appears prompting the user to enter a password to view the hidden data. To unhide the data, click on Unprotect Sheet on the Review tab. If you enter the password, enter it and click OK. Select the cells, click on the Home tab and expand any of the formatting groups. Click on the Number tab and click on General. Now click on the Protection tab and deselect Hidden. With the cells still selected, format the cells to appear as the rest of the data. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.